Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use valerian root. Valerian root has been a popular herbal remedy for centuries, primarily known for its calming properties. Many people turn to it to help unwind after a long day or to encourage a more restful night's sleep. We'll cover the common forms it comes in and important considerations for safe and effective use. Valerian root comes in several convenient forms. Capsules are a popular choice, often containing 250 to 500 milligrams of extract. If you prefer tea, steep about 1 to 2 grams of dried root in hot water for 10 to 15 minutes. Tinctures are another option, with a typical dose being 20 to 60 drops, taken 1 to 3 times a day. Always follow product-specific instructions. To get the most out of valerian root, timing is key. For sleep support, it's generally recommended to take it 30 minutes to 2 hours before you plan to go to bed. Some individuals find that consistent use over several weeks yields the best results, rather than just occasional use. Remember, valerian can cause drowsiness, so avoid driving or operating heavy machinery after taking it. While generally well tolerated, there are a few important considerations. Some people might experience mild side effects like dizziness, headaches, or an upset stomach. It's also crucial to be aware of potential interactions with other medications, especially sedatives or alcohol, as it can enhance their effects. Pregnant or nursing individuals should avoid valerian root and always consult a healthcare provider before starting any new supplement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.